Hello, greetings, and hope you are doing okay. We will continue with our training program, and we'll start GUI or UI UX number one, which is a brief introduction in what we are going to be doing in our UI UX design. So basically, I will start a basic UI UX design here, which I know people can handle it better than I do. You see, I've shifted. I will insert an image here, brief image, which I know people can do better UX UI design. The intention here is to introduce you, excuse me, to actually what it is all about and how you can go about it. Okay. I've just inserted an image.
We worship you with all our heart.
Okay.
And we choose to bless your holy name. Thank you, Jesus.
So you can create your own. You can be more creative than I do here. Here is just for example. You're going to have more opportunities to do better stuff as we go further. So you can have the possibility to do better creation here. Okay, I'm going to shift this one before then. Let me expand this window. Control W, remember, to increase the work environment. Okay. Okay. I'm going to add a bit of beauty to this. Okay, when I enter the image, I'm sure still on that style I can manage it here or here or here. But let me work on it under GUI. On the GUI or general. Okay, let me add the image or browse. Browsing here is to permit me if I've downloaded images. I just downloaded a short image a while ago. Let me open it there and see what it will look like. Okay. Okay. Got into the image. Let me see what it will look like. Okay. Image sheet. Go through the view. Just permit me, let me see. Come back to the okay, image, UI, image, show the style element, control the manual animation, caption outside itself flap. Where is the image section? Now it is animated animation area. GIS is fine. Visibility, okay. We just show that copy the right image. Okay, let's see, let's check the properties of the image. Okay, as I was saying, we are going to be working on a GUI file. On a user interface user experience, we try to beautify our page. Now I'll enter the description as I did. The image was a excuse me, was a GPN file, and ensure that our images, depending on how we configure our app, in this case we need a PNG file. Okay. And take an example. I use this particular image example. Okay. Now according to transparency now, hysteric. Hysteric 100%. For now, it is hysteric centered. Aesthetic. We try and see how it look like. Okay, now. Or is a stretch here? Extended without enlargement. Okay. The size of the image is now appropriate, and I know people know how to do it better. So I can take a stretch example to see how image will look like. Okay. I know it's not really that beautiful, but it is just for sampling. So you can get better images whose size is equivalent. Now here, see here, on the image there, I added the image here by browsing, but there's also a catalog. Catalog are preset images. Okay, the first one is Machiko. Let's see if we have a preset catalog for Machiko. No, okay. So we can use any of them. We can decide to say, okay, for Machiko, we are going to use maybe, let's say something, though you could still download an image online. And decide to use a pin, for example. You see guys how it look like. Name, for example. I'm sure there'll be a catalog for name. Without the name. Okay, it's serious. Okay. And then let's use this writing, for example. But you could see customized images that I wanted to use here. Date of birth. Let's use date. I'm sure we'll have a catalog for date. Date. Okay. But since it's date of birth, it's preferable to use date that has somebody in between. Just having an empty date like that. Since it's date of birth, date of somebody. Okay. The next is place of birth. Place obviously we use a location. Place, let's see. I'm sure we'll have one for location. Location. There are so many of them. Can choose something a bit colorful since one. Something colorful. Place of birth. Now let's use this for example. Now we use the one for address. Okay. Address. Since we will use all our image for place of birth. Excuse me. You can use now the house. Then address. Okay. Telephone. Telephone. Okay. I'm going to use this one. Category name. But now, though we still have a lot of modifications to do, but let's just work with it for now. Category. There's one thing I forgot to indicate. We could still work the design in this manner, or there's a possibility for us to add a logo here. We are going to be working on such things in our subsequent class. There's a possibility for us to add logos by the side so that it has a logo. But now working on this in this format will be our first desire. Let's see how is our application is going to look like. Let's just see how it look like. I just see how it look like. Okay, see this is our application. So this is how the beauty a bit has changed. See, just by that one touch, Yes, though the image is not nice because it's trash. Let's see how it will look like on iOS configuration. Remember, I'm managing two configurations so far. Let's see how it will look like on the iOS configuration. Sorry. Okay. Let's see how the iOS version look like. See, it's looking beautiful as well. I can rotate it as well. Look, it's beautiful. See, we didn't anchor the image. That's why the image have shifted towards this way. So with this, we can really say that we've successfully done a bit of UI UX, and we're going to do more working on the horizontal toolbar and the vertical toolbar. So until we meet again, I wish you luck as you study. Good luck, and I say ciao.